Let's talk about body language. When you first meet someone, very quickly you're going to make one of three choices. Are they a friend? Are they an enemy? Or are they a sexual partner? And this usually happens in microseconds. So whenever you enter a room to an event that you're attending, or when you're about to meet someone, this happens at first glance when they see you. So here's some really important body language tips that help you create trust with the other person really quickly. Number one, you really quickly want to show people that you're not an enemy and that you don't have any weapons in your hands. So showing your palms, showing your open palms will actually subconsciously send the message that you're a friend, that you're not putting anybody else in danger. So when you put your hands under your arms, in your pockets, or even hide them behind your back, that's sending the message that you might have some weapons to hide and that you're not that trustworthy. The second thing is shoulders back. It's the opposite of being on your phone and by yourself. So putting your shoulders back and your chest out will actually make you look more confident, but it also scientifically has been proven that it makes you more confident. Your physiology influences your psychology. So if you've ever heard the term power posing, that's exactly what it is. So if you put yourself in a confident body language, it actually sends signals to your brain that make you more confident. So before you enter an event, if you're super nervous and you are making your body small instead of big and expansive, it actually makes you more nervous. So if that's you, try power posing, try a Superman stance, try to lift your arms up, and maybe you could even do that in the washroom where nobody can see you. So you can set your body up to be in the best state to make those connections and look confident. And lastly, make eye contact with people and smile. Those are the very, very basic two things that you can do to connect with people, and even small babies know how to do it. And I realized that with my son, when he first was born, he wasn't making eye contact a lot because everything was bright, of course, very different than in the womb. And then it took a couple of weeks before he started following you around when you're moving your head with his eyes. And then once he did his first laugh, his first social laugh, that was like the most beautiful moment for me as a dad. So try that on some of the people that you're meeting. Make eye contact, smile. Those are the easiest ways you can start making a connection. And I'm gonna say it again, everyone is interesting, but you won't notice that when you're staring at your screen. So give people your full attention, give them the gift of your presence, and leave your phone in your pocket, in your bag, and check social media once you're done and on your way home from the event, not when you're trying to engage with people. And this is also true if you're meeting a friend for coffee or you're meeting with friends at a restaurant. Even putting your phone upside down on the table makes the other person feel less important. So put your phone in your bag, and I promise you it will make a huge difference in the types of conversations that you're having and the way it makes the other person feel. Does that sound like a good plan? Do you agree? Let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.